Okay, I want to talk about the conservation of energy in regards to my Rube Goldberg device, specifically the next to last phase right before it takes a selfie with my phone. I want to talk about the Hot Wheels car sitting at the top of a track being held in place with a popsicle stick. It has potential energy while it's sitting there. If we were to take and measure the speed of that car from its starting point to any point in between before it hits the phone, whatever point we choose, say we measure that horizontally, we need to take the vertical difference in height between those 2 points, multiply that by a gravitational constant, multiply that by the mass of the Hot Wheels car, and then we will have the amount of energy, potential energy, that the Hot Wheels car has that it's working with in that particular section of the track. We can then take and figure out our kinetic energy by multiplying half the mass times the velocity, the final velocity squared, minus half the mass times the initial velocity squared, which would be 0. But when we take these two numbers and we add them together, we're going to come up with a net difference of 0, because the kinetic energy that we gained is due to the potential energy that we lost during that section of the track. And we're keeping in mind that we're going to ignore rolling friction, we're going to ignore air resistance. This is just to make this work on paper, just to identify a concept and explain it.